Welcome to another interesting video on my channel. This is Tecno 528, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the power button when it is not working. This one here, customer brought it to me and is complaining that this phone is not on. Even though you put the battery, you will discover that there is light in the panel, but it's not coming on. You can see I'm trying to power on the phone using the power button, but it's not coming on. You can see it is not coming on. So what could be the problem? Because like now, let's check now. You can see that there is current flowing through the PCB. You can see it is coming on. You can see that the light is coming on, but the phone is not booting. So what could be the problem? First thing I would like to check is I want to check the charging ports if there is a bridge under the charging ports, because if the negative line of the charging ports and the negative of the data line are bridged, the phone will not come on. So let me check that if that could be the issue first. But as you can see in this case, the charging port is clean. There's no bridge anywhere or carbon under it. So this fault is not from the charging port. You can see that it is very clean down here. So this fault is not from the charging port. So now I'm going to put the PCB back into the casing and then try to fix this. So now let's try to power on the phone again. You can see it is bringing light, but it's not booting. You can see the phone is not, it's still not booting. So now I'm going to use charger. Let me put charger and see. You will discover that the phone is charging. Let's wait a minute. You can see it's charging. You can see the phone is charging, but it's not booting. You can see it's charging on the screen like this with the charger. Let's try and power it on and see if it will come on. Let's try. You can see that it is still not coming on. It is still not booting. You can see it. So the power button is actually broken. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this now. So the positive of the power button is the issue, the middle, which is the middle. And I'm going to show you how you can fix this very easy. You can see that the negative is working, but the positive, which is the middle, is not working, and that is the one that is broken. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now I'm zooming it for you so that I can have a clear look. This resistor here, you can see this resistor close to the LED bulb here is the power resistor that controls the power button, which is the middle tab here. This resistor. So it is the one responsible for the power line of that middle there. So now I'm going to connect the ground and the resistor together, and you will see that the phone will come on. So now watch and see. Watch and see. You can see the phone has come on. You can see the phone has come on like magic. You can see. So that resistor is actually the problem of this. You can see that the power button is still not working. So that resistor, we are going to change it. I'm going to change that resistor. You can see. You can see that when I connect the ground and the resistor together, it's working. So I'm going to change the resistor. You can see other buttons are working normally, but the power button is not working. So now let me remove my battery and then get another resistor from an old PCB. I think I can get one here. No, this panel is still useful. Let me put it aside and look for another one. I don't want to damage this panel. It is still useful. So I'm going to get another another panel from another phone. So let me get one. Let me get one. I'm going to show you. So, and I'm not going to rush the work. I'm going to do it step by step. I've gotten a PCB, and this is for item 2160. So I've gotten a panel. So now this panel is where I'm going to get my resistor from. So now I've seen one. Let me zoom it. I've gotten one from it already. So let me remove it. So be careful, engineers, be careful. I've removed one resistor from the PCB. So now let me zoom it now for you to can have a clearer look. So I'm going to remove the damaged resistor, the 40 resistor from the PCB. Yeah, let me use my paste on it so that to help me to remove it with ease. Please, engineers, be careful so that you don't peel it off. So I would advise you use your lead together with your soldering iron so that I can easily remove the 40 resistor. You can see I've removed it with ease now. So you can see so that I don't damage any other component there. So now you can see I've removed it successfully. So now let's replace the resistor now. Let's replace the resistor. Okay, you can see I don't want to rush it. So be careful when doing this. Don't rush it. Do it carefully so that you don't damage anything on the PCB. Do it carefully. Do it gently. Do it carefully. Do it gently. Okay. If you don't understand anything, you can drop it in the comment section, please. If you don't understand any part, drop it in the comment section. So I'm trying to apply some lead so that the resistor can be strong, so that it doesn't have partial contacts on the PCB, so that I can work fine and my customer will enjoy my service. So now I'm done. I'm done with the soldering. So now I'm going to brush the PCB. I'm going to brush it with my chemical. Let me brush it. Let me brush it so that it will look more neat. I've brushed it now. So now I'm going to put back my battery. I'm going to put back my battery and then power the phone on again to see if our work is done. So now I'm powering it on now. You can see it is done now. So congratulations to us. So the work is done. You can see the power button is back again. So the work is good. So you can see this is where the power button is, the power line for Tecno 528. You can see all the buttons are working. They are working perfectly. You can see. So please do ensure you subscribe to this channel, Phone Clinic, for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye for now. Bye for now.